Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Kembali. Okay, today's video, it is a unboxing video. I rasa you boleh baca dekat tajuk video ni. Kita nak buat unboxing video. Well, I nampak this one brand banyak dekat Instagram, influencers, some makeup artists, and I saw their ads Instagram, and I am so impressed with the colors, the swatches that some of them yang dah buat, you know. And then suddenly I received an email. Wait, not an email. I received a DM from this brand, and they said they want to send me a PR box. So I am very happy and honored to receive the parcel from them. So it is super quick. It only took them like 2 or 3 days. I think 2 days for them to send this parcel to me. Yes. Oh my god, kenapa dia macam... Okay. So, as you can see, it is from Perfect Diary. I rasa ramai yang dah nampak Perfect Diary ni dekat Instagram, dekat Facebook. I am sure sebab I pun nampak banyak sebelum I receive this parcel. I nampak banyak, and I tell you, I belum swatch lagi dengan tangan I sendiri, dengan jari-jari I sendiri. So, I nak swatch hari ini dengan korang, dengan apa orang kata belum buka lagi, still seal, nampak? Okay, kita akan buka sekarang. Okay, I dah pun buka. So it's a big box, guys. It's a big box. Okay, see what's inside. Okay, this is nothing. Wow. Okay, first of all, okay, let's just take this out. Excited. Okay, so I received apa ni, lip cream, I think. Let me see. Okay, Glamour Select Velvet Liquid Lipstick. Okay, I received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. So this is the packaging. Okay, and it says here light shimmer water stain. Okay, and then semua bahasa Cina kat sini, so I tak faham. Okay, dia cuma cakap light shimmer water stain. Tu sahaja yang ada dekat packaging ni yang kita faham. Okay, let me just open this and then I will show it to you. Alright, dah pun buka. So this is the packaging. Okay, classy. Dia all black, and then dekat bawah ni ada it's a clear bottle lah. Okay, clear. Lepas tu sini hitam lah, tak nampak. So you can see the color from here. Alright, yes, it's macam lip cream macam tu. Look at that. So they sent me 2 different type of lip cream. It says here one is light shimmer water stain, and the other one is Glamour Select Velvet Liquid Lipstick. This is the velvet and this is the light stain tu. Okay, so dia lain lah. I like this one too because this one dia punya packaging matte. Okay, to be honest, the packaging outside yang plastik kat luar ni memang susah sangat nak buka. Okay, you need kuku yang panjang ataupun you boleh pakai gunting lah kan, because I think it's good kalau this is in the store kan, macam Sasa ke Guardian ke, so that if ada orang nak cuba buka, it's gonna be difficult, dia akan ambil masa yang lama. So yes. So dia ada bagi 5. 3 is the velvet, and lagi 2 is the water stain. I'm going to swatch the water stain dulu. Okay, so let's swatch. Okay, this one is in the color H11. Alright, so H11. Okay, I understand now kenapa dia cakap water stain. Okay, dia macam lip gloss, dia macam lip tint, okay. Dia glossy macam tu lah, okay. And then the next one is code H08. Oh, this is a nice color. Okay, boleh buat ombre ya, lip color ni. Okay, so this is red, this is macam maroonish sikit, okay. Okay, next is I akan swatch the velvet code V01. Dia sangat velvet, okay. Okay, and then the next color is V07. So this is V07, this one. V01, V07. Color dia almost the same, cuma V07 tu cerah lagi. Cerah sedikit daripada V01. Okay. So the next one, the last one is V08. This is V08. Kalau dekat screen I memang nampak, oh my god, sorry. Memang nampak color dia semua sama, tapi kalau you close up macam ni, it's different. So V01 is darker, V07 is lighter than V01, and the last one V08 is in between V01 and, I can say, yeah, no, I think this is lighter than V07. Yes. It's almost the same, but it's not the same, okay? The colors are almost the same, but they are not the same shades. The next item is the high definition, long lasting multifunction mascara. Okay? Packaging dia macam ni. Okay, white bottle. White bottle here and black top. Okay? So, oh my god, okay, this is the mascara. A very fine brush. Okay, usually brush macam ni kita akan letak dekat bawah mata, okay, ataupun I mean bulu mata you pun boleh, no problem, atas ke bawah atau bawah. I dah pakai mascara, so I just nak tengok. Oh, so black. Okay, it's very black. That's good, I like it. Dia gelap, dia hitam. So, siapa yang ada masalah bulu mata bawah tu very orang kata short and susah nak reach, you can try this because the brush is suitable for you to reach bulu-bulu mata. Next item is brushes. Okay, this is basic eye brush set. Ada 4 pieces dalam ni. Okay, it is eye brush. Okay, we'll see. I rasa ada bag dalam tu, as you can see. Okay, semua tulisan bahasa yang kita tak faham. So, maybe you boleh pergi website dia and see kalau ada detail ke tak. Okay, so bagi I buka dulu. Ada bagi bag. Oh, so cute. Yeah, I love pouch untuk brush. Nampak tu? Okay, it's good for travelling. Alright, so bila you letak brush tu, and then dia akan tutup bulu-bulu tu. Macam tu. And then, like that. And dia ada gold, perfect diary in gold color. And also here. Okay, so dia ada 4 brush kat sini. Alright, okay, dia ada tulis kat sini. Tapered blending brush, code E11. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me try it now. See, it's a blending brush. Okay, lembut. I tak ambil brush, I tak pick up lagi dia punya eyeshadow. Nanti I akan cuba, but so far it is soft Lembut sangat-sangat, lembut. Okay. And then dia ada bagi E01 eyeshadow brush. Okay, macam ni. Okay, like that. Okay, lembut juga. Yang ini usually you boleh outer corner macam kat area sini, you can just dab macam tu. It's nice because it's flat. I suka brush yang macam ni untuk concentrate dekat area-area ni. Okay, yang tu best. And then dia ada bagi short shader brush in the code E21. Okay, dia macam ni. Yang ni pun I have a few, so you can concentrate on your under eye like that. Just dab. It's perfect. Okay, and the last one is E22 pencil brush. Okay, pencil brush you boleh buat untuk nak letak highlight dekat sini ataupun you nak blend bawah mata tu. Okay, because dia betul-betul concentrate betul-betul dekat a small corner, inner corner, and then dekat bawah macam ni you can blend. Okay, next item is it's a cat. Cute, right? Get that, so cute. So this is their Perfect Diary Explorer eyeshadow palette, code 09 cat. As you can see that it says here Discovery Perfect Diary Beauty, and I love the texture of the cover. Can you hear that? Kan dia macam a texture here, and then dia sini flat, and then sini ada texture lagi. So belakang pun sama, ada texture. Something yang I rasa macam it's nice to have when you put it on your vanity table. It looks pretty. Okay, so let's see inside. Wow! Oh my god, ada kucing punya paws. Kucing punya macam cap jari kaki. Oh, dia ada ni, okay. Ada mirror. Ada brush. Oh, I have like 5 brushes already in that pack. Four brushes. And I have additional brush in this palette. I nak reveal dekat korang. Okay. Nice colors. Ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shimmers and 6 matte. Okay, so I nak swatch ke? Sayangnya. Okay, jom kita swatch lah 1 or 2 color. Okay. Okay, first and second is the shimmer. Okay. Wow. Ini kalau makeup pengantin pun cantik ni. Dia macam wet eyeshadow macam tu. Not bad. Matte. Oh, this is green. Okay, this is dark green. Okay, it's like army green macam tu. And this is brown. Pigmented. Nice. The last item from Perfect Diary is the Perfect Diary Fantasies Eyeshadow Palette, code 03 Dancia. I hope I pronounce it right. So this is the packaging. Seriously, when I see, bila I tengok dia punya Instagram, orang buat review, orang buat Insta story kan, I suka gila tengok eyeshadow colour from Perfect Diary ni. Look at that. Okay, dia macam diary. Okay, macam kita kalau buka buku, macam kita buka buku macam ni kan. Dia macam tu lah. It's not like that. It's like that. Okay. Ta-da! Oh, look at the colors. I don't know how. I tak tahu macam mana dia orang buat this macam rainbow effect kind of eyeshadow. I don't know how. How they do that? How do they do that? Okay, so I nak swatch lah. Of course, I kena swatch yang ni. Yang ni memang cantik. Okay, so kita ambil colour yang rainbow tu, yang macam rainbow tu. Okay, one. Sayangnya. Nampak tu? Okay, this one. And this one lah. This colour. I macam touch sikit je. Macam sayangnya. That's the first colour. This is the second colour. Wow. Okay, I'm so sorry. It didn't focus yang awal-awal tadi. Okay, so this is the cat eyeshadow palette. This two is the shimmer color, and this one is the matte. Okay, and then this one is the second palette lah. Okay, yang tu shimmer. Kita try yang matte pula. I nak try yang warna merah ni, and this orange. Okay. Okay, sinilah. Here. Wow. Wow, pigmented gila eh. Look at that. Nice. Oh my god, this red, if you do like red eyeshadow with eyeliner, it's bomb. It's gonna look good. So yeah, that's from Perfect Diary. I can't wait to try their palettes, their brushes, and also their lipsticks. I can't wait. Thank you so much, Perfect Diary. So that is all from me. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like and share this video. And also, please also subscribe to my channel. Okay? Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!